Do you see the color of my eye? I think I have green eyes. I've been told I have hazel eyes, gray eyes, blue-green eyes, but today we're gonna go with green. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these warm green eyes, which is green eyes with a bit of yellow in them, just like mine. How to pop using the warm green eyes color chart. Let's do it. So with the warm green eyes, it says that you have a lot of complementary colors, which are going to be greens and yellows, which are the colors that already exist in your eye, which is great. I love both of those colors. Around the edge of the color chart, it shows you the intensifying shades, which are a lot of purples. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna intensify those eyes, and we're gonna go in with a purple eyeliner and just make that color pop right off the page. This is gonna be a very easy look. Anybody can do this look, but I'm just talking about it if you have this eye color. Well, purple looks good on everybody, but we're talking about this eye color, so let's do it. This may be the easiest look that I give you guys, so please follow along with me. If you have any purple eyeliner, any eyeliner will do, or if you have a purple eyeshadow, you can absolutely use that as your eyeliner as well. Just use it exactly in the same way as you would an eyeliner. So we're gonna take this purple eyeliner. I actually love this color. It's like a very like psychedelic 60s purple. Like that's kind of how I see it in my mind. It's very pastel. This is the Shiseido Micro Liner Ink in the shade 09 Violet. I'm just gonna line my eye like I normally would. I'm staying pretty close to my lash line like normal because I like when the color comes from your lashes. Go down a bit into the tear duct. Blend it out just a bit. This is just meant to be fun. It's meant to give you a little pop of color. And look at that. How cute is it? And that's about it. Talk about an easy look that gives you so many benefits. It makes your green eyes pop. And I'm telling you, actually purple looks good on every single eye color. I use purple on all of my clients. I think it is so flattering. I know there'll be a ton of you guys asking about this book. This is a book by the Australian and global makeup artist Ray Morris. This is called the Makeup Masterclass. You not only get tons of color charts with your eye colors, but you also get tons of step-by-step tutorials. Please stop, like, and subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. So that way you can see all of my newest videos that are coming out. I'm pretty much posting every single day, so you don't want to miss it.